We often face this common issue in Adobe Premiere Pro when trying to import footage. Today, we'll discuss two simple solutions to solve this problem. If one solution doesn't work, you can try the other. Let's get started. First, let's open Premiere Pro and import our footage. Here are the files. And we want to import this. If you see this error window that says, File import failure with a generic importer error, for this clip, don't worry. We can fix it easily. The trick is to go to the file location of the problematic file, make a copy of it, and change its location. Then, try importing it again in Premiere Pro. This time, you'll notice that it imports successfully. By changing the file location, we can solve this problem and import the file in Premiere Pro. If the previous solution didn't work for you, don't worry. There's another solution you can try. You see that file is still not importing in Premiere. Click on the View tab, and then select File Name Extensions. Now, find the file that is causing the issue, and change its extension from MP4 to MTS. You'll see that only this particular file has the MTS format, while the others are in MP4. After making this change, try dragging the file into Premiere again, and you'll find that it imports successfully. Now, you can start working on it. If you come across any other problems with Premiere Pro, make sure to check out this playlist of Premiere Pro videos. If you want to take your videos to the next level with awesome templates, you can find the link in the video description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.